Are you ready to escape the matrix of the West and make a bold move to Africa? Today I'm going to show you how you can not only move out of the West, but also build real wealth in Africa. I'll share 15 business ideas that can make you rich in this continent and talk about the amazing benefits of living in Africa. Let's get into it. Hey guys, my name is Moonlight and welcome to Garifuna Wealth, where we talk about entrepreneurship, personal development and personal finance. Now, if you're looking to start afresh, take your entrepreneurship to the next level, or simply find a better quality of life, Africa has it all. It's literally the gold mine you never knew you were looking for. With a growing economy, untapped markets, and rising middle class, Africa is a place where you can build wealth and live a fulfilling life. Stick around because I'm going to break down the business opportunities, financial steps, and lifestyle benefits of moving to Africa. Before we jump to business ideas, let's talk about why moving to Africa could dramatically change your life. So, what are these incredible benefits of moving to Africa? First up, there is better quality of life in Africa. Imagine moving to a place that's a little slower paced with less stress than the hustle in the Western cities. Picture fresh food and beautiful surroundings. It's literally a wholesome experience. Next, we're going to talk about affordability. Life is more affordable in most parts of Africa. You can enjoy a higher quality of life for less. From housing, food, entertainment, utilities, your money really stretches far here. Now, if you're thinking of starting a family, Africa's centered culture might just be what you're looking for. You'll find warm, supportive communities, and your kids get the gift of a multicultural upbringing. And let's not forget about the cultural richness. Africa is one of the most culturally diverse continents on the planet. With thousands of languages, traditions, and customs, living here allows you to experience the richness daily. And finally, the freedom to build your legacy. Many African countries are still developing, meaning there is room for you to build a pioneer. You could make a real impact, create jobs, businesses, and something that could last for generations. Now that you understand the lifestyle benefits, let's talk about the financial preparations. Moving to Africa is a big decision, and having your finances right will set you up for success. Here's what you will need to do. First things first, build a cash cushion. You'd need at least 6 to 12 months of living expenses saved up to cover the cost of relocating, housing, and business startup costs. The second important thing to do is pay off high interest debts. You don't want the burden of debts stressing you overseas. You should clear this debt up so that you can start afresh. Next, you'll need an emergency fund. Because let's be real, life happens. So always have a separate fund for emergencies. This ensures that you can handle unexpected expenses without dipping into your main account. You'll need to understand the currency and banking. Currency volatility can really affect your cash flow. So it's important to research about the exchange rates and about the local currency. You could as well as set up local banks to manage money efficiently. As we're almost done, create a budget for your business. Know your numbers, what's the initial investment and the ongoing cost. Have enough capital to have things running smoothly. And last but not least, consult a financial advisor, someone who knows the ins and outs of finances before you make big moves, someone who can help you with banking, taxes, and legal requirements. Download our free guide on how to save $10,000 on our website. The link will be in the description. Alright, now we can dive into the good stuff. Here are 15 business ideas with huge potentials in Africa. First industry is the agribusiness. Africa has a vast fertile land, making agriculture one of the most lucrative sectors. You could invest in large-scale farming, food processing, or export crops like cocoa, coffee, and maize. The second one is solar energy solutions. Power shortages are very common in many regions of Africa, creating a demand for renewable energy and solar panels. You could start a business providing solar panels. And then there's real estate development. With cities growing fast, there's high demand for affordable housing. You could build residential units, commercial buildings, or eco-friendly homes for tourists and expats. Let's not forget about the tech boom. Fintech and tech solutions are hot right now. So this sector is rapidly growing in Africa. So solutions like mobile banking, microloans, payment systems are in high demand, especially in unbanking populations. The sixth opportunity lies in the tourism and hospitality. Africa's natural beauty, diverse cultures, wild animals, attracts millions of tourists every year. You could invest in boutique hotels, ecotourism resorts, or adventure travel companies. Moving on, waste management and recycling offers a significant potential in Africa since most countries struggle with waste management. Start a recycling or waste-to-energy business to tackle pollution and create clean energy. Another area to explore is the private healthcare services. The healthcare infrastructure in many African countries is underdeveloped. So you can set up clinics, healthcare centers, or pharmaceutical manufacturing businesses. Turning to education and e-learning, there are ample opportunities with a young population eager for education. You can open private schools, vocational centers, or e-learning platforms offering skill-based courses. Another growing field is the logistics and supply chain management. As e-commerce grows, so does the need for reliable logistics. So you can start a delivery service, a freight company, or a warehouse business to serve this purpose. Our 11th area is mobile app development. There is a demand for mobile apps tailored for local needs, from education and health to e-commerce and entertainment. You can start up a mobile development company. Another area that I find exciting is fashion and apparel manufacturing. To be honest, the African fashion is booming, and you can get in on the action by starting a clothing line, textile manufacturing, or fashion retail businesses. Moving to the import and export business, you could import popular Western products to Africa and also export products from here to the international markets like artisanal crafts or cocoa or coffee, all this good stuff. As we're coming to an end, another lucrative option is fitness and wellness centers. With the high growing middle class in Africa, the demand for fitness services is very high. You could open a gym, a yoga studio, or a wellness spa to cater to health-conscious Africans. And finally, our last and 15th point, consider event planning and management. Africa is becoming a hotspot for weddings, conferences, and cultural events. So you can start up event planning or a company that runs everything from corporate events to luxury weddings. Once you've made the move and started a business, it's all about adapting to the new environment and thriving. Here's how to ensure success. So the first one, you have to embrace the local culture. They say you behave like Romans, yeah? So Africa is incredibly diverse. So take the time to learn the customs, the languages, and social norms. Building a relationship with the locals is a key to success, and it also enables authenticity. Something else you can do is focus on hiring local talent. Africa has a highly skilled workforce. So hiring locally talent not only supports the economy, but also helps you gain valuable insights into the market. Another way to ensure success is be ready for challenges. Challenges are a part of everything. So like any other market, there are going to be challenges. You can face infrastructure issues or currency fluctuation can happen. So you have to stay persistent and rewards will be worth it. Moving to Africa can be the adventure of a lifetime and the key to unlocking wealth. So not only will you have incredible business opportunities, but you also enjoy a better quality of life with the chance to raise a family, live affordably, and build something lasting. With the right mindset and those business ideas, you'll be on your way to success. We've come to the end of the video, and if this video has you thinking about your next big move, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on your notification for more business, finance, and lifestyle content. And drop a comment below, what business would you want to start in Africa? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay inspired, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video.